Follow me to Wispering Woodlands. Wispering Woodlands is an immersive and interactive art experience here at Exploration Place. I can't wait to show you. It is absolutely amazing. Wispering Woodlands has a bunch of different soundscapes to listen to. They have some that are more for kids, but also some on the more ethereal side. The soundscapes change every 2 minutes, so be sure to stay out here for a while because you're going to hear a lot of different noises. Those noises could convey different feelings and emotions, so be sure to stay out here to see the whole host of them. Wispering Woodlands is not just an auditory experience, but it is visual as well. The lights come on in the trees at night and they match up along with the sounds that we play to give you a fully immersive experience. Now here is John Harrison, the director of TechArtICT, who is here on opening night to tell us more about it.
What you're seeing, completely networked audio that over 25 trees. Each tree has its own speaker. They're all independently controlled. They're controlled by a computer that's inside the building. It's all networked, and the same with the LEDs. And so it's all very coordinated. And the reason I bothered to tell you all that is that it leaves tons of possibilities for what we could do in the future with this setup. Another part is that I really look for how to inspire awe and wonder. And I feel like pairing technology with other art forms is a powerful way to do that. So that's where my inspiration comes from.
Wispering Woodlands is a great place to come and relax on your trip to Exploration Place. It's a wonderful experience with a couple more hidden wonders for you to find, so make sure to stop by and visit to find them.